Brenda, this is Teddy. I am by no means an expert YouTuber. I am by no means the leading person you should follow or pay attention to in regards to YouTube. However, I've been doing YouTube videos since 2012, and I like looking at the videos that I like and seeing how they're set up. I like looking at the videos that I find and see how they're set up. So I have a few suggestions that I've learned along the way that others have told me about as well that I think you may get value from. So right here, the biggest one is your description box. Oh my golly, this is a huge part of SEO, a huge part of your message, a huge part of the content is the description box. And a couple thoughts you might want to consider. Hopefully you're using YouTube Studio to upload videos, and there's an option in YouTube Studios called Settings, Upload Defaults. What I recommend you do, based on what others have told me to do, is number one, put some hashtags in there. Regular hashtags that you use on a regular basis. Have it in the settings, upload defaults. You can always change them, but have some hashtags in there that you use on a regular basis. Number two, you missed an opportunity to tell me a little bit more about what this video is all about in this description box. Again, you could use really important keywords that would add SEO value to your YouTube video. Another one is, you missed a huge opportunity to tell me more about you. I get it. This video is all about Jen and all about Inform, Troy, Effective Leadership. But this whole video platform, this YouTube channel is all about you. So in the description, you could tell me a little bit more about you and maybe a link to your LinkedIn profile and why I should look at it. Maybe a link to your website and why I should visit it, etc., etc. And again, keyword rich is important if you want your videos to show up so that you get more video views and you get more people to discover who you are, what you do, how you can help them. It's called Settings, Upload Defaults in the YouTube Studio. Really make this content rich, keyword rich, and informative. I bet you that you'll see that you get more more video views, and you get more people to find you. Brenda, hope that's helpful. Take care. Bye. And by the way, Brenda, while you're here, hit that subscribe button. It's right there. And the bell for the notify. I'd love you if you were a subscriber. Take care.